So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own face in your Roblox avatar. So how to do this, let's get started. First what you have to do is open any browser you like and then log into your Roblox account. After that just click on these three lines and then click on inventory. After this click on get more, and then here what you have to do is click on face. Now just select any face you want to add on your avatar. Let's go with this one. Just click on this and then you have to click on 3D or 2D, up to you, and then just right click it and then click on save image as. After this save it as PNG, then open another tab and then type photop. Open this website and then drop your downloaded PNG here. Once you do this, it will be shown here. Now what you have to do is you can change anything on here, just like I did here. As you can see, I changed them out. Now what you have to do is click on file and then click on export as and then click on PNG. Click on save. Once you're done, just go over to your Roblox and then click on create and then get over to creations. After this click on decals and then click on upload asset. Then click on upload and then select your face which you downloaded and then click on upload again. After this get over to Roblox Studio, and from here what you have to do is you have to click on this avatar button and then you have to click on rig builder. Here you have to click on my avatar and then your avatar will be shown in front of you. Now what you have to do is get over to this side panel and then from rig just click on this little arrow. Once you do this, just click on this head and click on its little arrow, and then here you'll find face. Just click on it and then press delete on your keyboard, so it will delete the old face. As you can see, the face is removed. Now click on this bulb button which says creation and then click on models and then click on images. Here you'll see your uploaded asset. Just click on this, and as here you can see the new face has been added on your avatar. So yes, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.